Hello guys, it's your girl Unique Nelo. For today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this turban design. A subscriber sent this to me and made a request that I teach how to do it. So guys, stay tuned as you learn this design with the beading pattern. Alright, the material I'll be using for this design is a raw silk fabric, okay? Raw silk fabric. And remember, I'll be making the V face. The length of the material I'll be using is 16 inches length by 14 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces. Please, I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I didn't show how I got this V face. This material is a raw silk fabric. The length part is the stretchy part. So, if you are confused, please check out my videos. In fact, I've taught many designs on how to get your V face. So check out my channel. You're going to see many designs that will assist you on how to get the V shape, okay? And this is the back of the fabric, which is 28 inches length by 12 inches width. So I'm done joining everything. You can see it, and I've made the curve. So this is how the turban cap base is. All right, what I will do now is to set that aside for the design proper. I cut out 2 fabric. Yes, I have this first one and the second one. Please, the first fabric is the one that will be directly on top of the turban. The one that will be directly on top of the turban. And the one that will be on the turban measures 13 inches length by 8 inches width, while the second one measures 13 inches length by 6 inches width. So guys, I'm going to fold and sew. All right, I'm done sewing and this is the outcome. Yes, so guys, don't forget the first fabric is the one that will be on top of the turban, while the other fabric is the one that will be on top of the first foam. I don't even understand me. All right, so this is half-inch foam. All right, so this half-inch foam is what I'll be using to form that will be adding volume to the fabric, and the measurement is on your screen there. So I had to insert it inside the fabric, then place it on top of each other. Don't forget that the first fabric is the one down, while the second fabric is the one on top. Then I will sew it this way. Then I'll be forming a loop that will be like a bow. That bow design on that design she sent. So this is the piece of the fabric, and the length measures 9.5 inches by 8.5 inches width, okay? So this fabric is what I'll be using to form that loop. All right, the next material I'm holding is wadding. This is called wadding. Normally this is the thick one, okay, and the length measures 8.5 inches by 7.5 inches width. So I'll be folding it this way and I will sew it down. Then I'll also fold this way and I'll be sewing down. Please guys, if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like this video. And for new subscribers, you guys are welcome. For the old returning subscribers, you guys are the MVP, okay? So support your girl by liking this video. All right, so I've inserted the wadding inside this fabric, and what next I'll be doing now is to place it this way. That's what I'm doing. All right, you place it this way, and after sewing you turn it out. All right, I'm done forming the design that will be on top of it. Next thing is placement. Guys, look closely. You will see where I'll be placing this design, okay? Be placing it this way, and normally I love working with pins. Yes, it will give it a firm hold. Then at this area too, I'll be placing it. Please, while placing yours, if you notice that this design went up, don't cut it, just adjust and place it on top. Then you're going to sew it down. You'll be sewing it down. You can see what I mean. Just sew down, and this is the outcome of mine. You can see that the top part popped up. It's very okay. Yes, allow it to pop out so it will be able to lap well when you wear it on your head. All right, so next thing I'll be doing is to do the finished work, which is to close up the turban normal way. After holding it with your pin, take it to your sewing machine, sew, and you form your gathers. So can see how I did it. I'm done sewing, and next thing is to form my gathers. After forming my gathers, I'll be turning it out to show you the outcome. So guys, you can see how our turban looks. Ta-da! Yes, this is okay. You can design to rock yours this way, but for me, the person that sent this picture to me made a request that I should bead it. So before I did the beading, I had to attach handle, and I'll be showing you guys how to attach the handle. The length measures 12 inches by 5 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces. If you have been watching my videos, you will know that this process is not new. So I use scissors to make a curve here, just to trim it out. Then take it to my sewing machine and sew down. After sewing, you turn it out, and this is what you get. Alright, next thing I'll be doing now is to attach this handle to the back of the turban. The essence of this is because the raw silk material at times, yes, it's stretchy, but at times it doesn't give that firmness to the head. So what you do is to attach your handle so that it gives a good fit when someone wears your turban. Alright, so I'll be placing it here. I measured 1.5 inches. Then from that point of 1.5 inches, I'll be sewing it around this. Whatever I'll be doing here, I'll be doing to the other side. So I'm done doing this. Please, if you don't really get this point, check out other videos on how I attached my handle. So this is the top part. You can see how it is. And I'll not be leaving this way. You can decide to shift this loop to any part, but I love it where it is. So next thing I'll be doing is to show you where you will tack, okay? I place this on my dummy and I adjust it as if it is on someone's head. Alright, so get a mannequin and you do so. Tack this point. You understand? You just tack here, tack this point, then tack here and tack here with your needle and thread, and I'm done doing mine. You can see the outcome. Guys, as I said earlier, you can decide to rock yours this way. Yes, but I really had to bead it and you will see the finished look, okay? So let's move over to the beading pattern. All right. There are many ways of beading. There are many, but I just love this design that is on this turban. This is seed bead or sand bead, and this is size 2. Size 2. This is gold seed bead. Some people call it sand bead. It depends on what is called in your area. So I have already attached my thread to my needle, and this needle, yes, this needle is for beading. It's beading needle. So we're going to count 9 pieces of seed bead. Yes, 9 pieces. You're going to count it. Make sure it's 9. If it's too much, remove one. If it's not enough, take more and add. Then going to drag it down. Please pay close attention. Beading is very easy, but if you don't pay attention, you won't get what I'm teaching you. Okay? So, when beading, assume that you drew an imaginary line. Don't know if you get me. Just imagine in between these plates that there's an imaginary line there. So once you drag down your bead, you're going to push it back. You can see it. Just put your needle down. Then count your bead. Count 4. Pass your needle through the 5th one. Count 4 beads. Remember it's 9. Count 4. Then on the 5th bead, pass needle beside it. Just the way I just did. Beside it. I don't know if you get me. That 5th one is the middle bead. So in a nutshell, once you pass your needle out so it will come out beside the middle bead. Then count 9 again, stretch it out where the bead stopped. You can see what I just did. Then pass your needle inside. On top of that imaginary line I told you, if you will not be getting this, just draw a line there. Later you clean it out. Yes, just draw your imaginary line. Then take your needle inside and pass it out through this spot. Look well, look. You can see where it came out now. Yes, see where it came out. Yes. So you drag it out. Guys, this is very easy. It is very, very easy. What I just need from you is paying attention, okay? Please be careful when dragging your thread because at times it forms a knot there and it frustrates one sincerely. So you continue picking 9 beads. 9 beads. You take it down just the way I did now. You pass your thread, inside where the bead stops and you take it backwards. Just continue to watch, you understand the beading process. All right, you can see how it looks. Yes, continue to form this design, and you're going to bead throughout this cap. You can see where I'm touching. You're going to bead it all through. Beading brings out more beauty, though it's time consuming, no, but if you don't have passion for it, my dear, my dear, hey. Anyway, I'm not trying to discourage you. Beading is enjoying. It's really enjoying. Once you learn it, you see it's enjoying. And one thing I love about beading is as you bead, you'll be seeing the beauty. In fact, you don't even need someone to tell you, wow, this is good. You'll be telling yourself, wow, I'm doing something great. So this is me beading at this point. My dear, I had to take my glasses. I had to take my zooming glasses to maximize and zoom everything because I was seeing double. Yes, I had to pick it up. So this is the end of this tutorial. It's good to have you to this time. Love you guys. Bye.